How to create a new trip on TripIt. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how you can create a new trip on TripIt. Now to do that, launch the TripIt application and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, you will watch the trips page automatically. But if you're not on the trips page, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as trips, alerts, pro, your on file account, and ensure you click on trips. The trip page, move to the bottom right corner and click on the plus icon that you can see there. By clicking on the plus icon, you'll be brought to the add trip page. So on this page, you can go ahead to add your trip by entering in details about the trip, such as your destination. So where exactly are you heading to? Enter it in there. Then select your start date. When do you want to leave? Click on select it. Then your end date as well. Click OK and enter in the trip name. Alright, so just enter in the trip name and a description if possible. And then once you're done, move to the top right corner. Next thing will be for you to go to the top right corner, click on the save icon that you can see there, and your trip would be added and saved automatically. That is it. This is how you can create a new trip on TripIt. Thank you for watching and have a good day.